Hey guys, I'm missing you guys a lot at this point. It is almost May 1st, and I had no idea that we would be ending our school year this way. I have updated all the grades that I have so far, so what I would like for you to do is get into Gradebook and check your averages. A lot of assignments have been re-released to you, so one's on Common Lit and also on Google Classroom. I have re-released because either they were incomplete or you totally bombed it. There's no point in me putting in a 25 for a grade. So I want you to redo it. There are no penalties for late work, but you've got to get it done so I can put these grades in. As always, feel free to text me or call me or email me if there's confusion, or if you're really struggling to understand what's going on, or if you just flat out don't want to do it. Call me, let me know, we can work through it together, all right? Do the best you can, and next week I'll be talking to you via Google Hangouts, so please make sure that you log in for that. It's a free 100, so I can't make it too much easier than that. Just know that while there are no late grades, I will start to enter in zeros soon, so you've got to get a hold of me and let me know. All of my work can be adapted to a packet, so I can print it and leave it for you at the school if that's easier. But you got to let me know, all right? So I miss you guys a lot. I really hope that you're doing well. I hope your families are well. I hope you aren't dying from boredom yet. And I'll just talk to you next week. All right. Bye, guys.